Okay, but I do want to talk to you about the different timings through a beginner timing to what I would call an intermediate timing to a more advanced timing, which is a rolling count. The way I look at beginner level through advanced level, or whatever we want to call it, is how we count. You can be a beginner pattern dancer and still look advanced. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right? Now, if we add just another layer to that, it's kind of like what Disney's Cinderella is. Just another layer of it, it makes it a little bit smoother. And so if we use the word and we went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So what the and beat does is, as that layer, it actually tells my body exactly where to be. Because and beats, if you counted 1 and 2, you go 1 and my feet are together, 2 and my feet are together. So the and beat is indicating for you 80–90% of the time to bring your feet together underneath your body. If you do your basic pattern on the triple step, your foot comes to you, it goes 1 and it comes to your center so you can change weight. The third level, the more advanced, it's a rolling count. Like I said, we use a rolling count in all styles of dance, pretty much. But it goes and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, all right? It's very much like a musician will go and a 1, okay? So girls, we have that on the 6 and guys too, we all have the and a 1. We go 6 and a 1. Now, it's so awesome because this is like, some new Pixar cartoon where it's so smooth it looks like it's real. So you put that next layer in your dance, it smooths your dance up. Because the best dancers are the dancers that are the smoothest, okay? Not the ones that have all the shitty patterns. The ones that are smooth and look awesome to music and they dance music. So girls, you want to go, guys too, you want to go watch. We got and 1. Now I'm going to go from here. So this is the 1. This is the and. I'm over my foot. Now the watch, propels me to the next step. So my 1 is behind the foot, my and is on the foot, my is passing the foot. 2 and 3 and watch. 4, watch. And look at my hip. My hip has passed my foot. Why in the hell would I do that? Well, we do that so we create connection, and then I can go 5 and 6 and so if you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, you'll find that you will move so smoothly across the floor. So here's your practice drills. Guys, girls, it does not matter. Okay, so basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do those across the floor. Just go, okay, got it, okay. Then add the and beat. This is important. This is important to get next. You have to get this. 1 and 2 and. Now, what I'm doing, every single and beat, I am pulling my sits bone back over my heel. So we talk, it's really a pelvic floor lifting, but this is the easiest way to describe it. Just grab your sits bone and pull it back over your heel. It's how you start, it's how you finish. So, and you'll notice my 6 and watch my hand where my sits bone is, 6 and where'd it go? It started to go past my foot. Well, why in the hell would it do that? Well, because he hasn't brought me forward yet. So, and 1, and pull that center back, sits bone back, 2 and 3 and 4 and do that forward and backwards and step and. That's important. Then our rolling count, practice your rolling count when you feel comfortable with that. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Now, when we dance it, when you watch your favorite dancers, guys and girls, they're doing it. You don't see people do it, you see when people don't do it. So this dance is about being smooth and being musical. We dance the music, and I beg you, watch your champions. not the All-Stars, to see what this dance does. Because, I love All-Stars because that's where I live, right, basically. But the champions, sugar push, pass, whip, you can count their basics. You can count how many times they do a basic, okay? And so they'll bring out the magic pattern when the music tells them to, okay? They're not doing a lot of tricks. They're dancing the music, and that's what this dance is about. So please remember that, and please stick this dance. Be sure you post on 4. Be sure you anchor step. Don't do this other stuff. There's different times for different musicalities and keeping it lyrical. There's times for that. But just if you go back to the core of the dance and understand what our dance is about and really, really work on your fundamentals, then you can do anything you want. All right, guys, hope that wasn't too long, and it makes a lot of sense. So go practice your basic 1, 2, 3, 4, then go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can even hear it. So when you practice it, count it that way and let yourself hear it. All right, everybody, you guys have a great, great day and practice. If you can, practice 15 minutes a day. It's all you need to do anything and master anything, just 15 minutes a day. So please, please share this with people, talk about it, and I hope you guys like it for me. If you don't dislike it, that's okay too. But I really just smash that like button and have a great, great day. And as always, be a good human.